Hello everyone. So today we'll learn how to execute Java program. Yesterday we know how to write a hello world program, but today we'll execute that program. Okay, let's get started. So first take a notepad and write in this way class followed by class name. Right. The class name is hello world and every Java program must and should starts with from main onwards. So we need to write main method. Okay. Public static void main string aux for printing statement. What is the printing statements in Java? Yesterday I told system dot out dot print or println. That's your wish. Okay. And hello world ends with semicolon. Okay. Now save this program with .java extension. Hello world .java and then open your CMD there there where is the disk tab? Yeah, okay. CD desktop. Now I'm changing the directory to desktop because I saved my file name where in the desktop. Okay, so I changed my current directory to desktop and now write javac space here whatever we write in the same way you entered here. Okay, here H is capital and W is also capital, so just write it hello world dot java. See, when you compile the program it generates that class file if you want. See, hello world dot class file. Then for executing Java program, we need to use the command is Java space class name. What is the class name? Hello world. So this is the output. So tomorrow we'll learn some more topics. Have a great day.